Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to log in reporting portal income tax. Only ways. Open the portal homepage, click Sign In, enter your user ID and password, then complete two-factor authentication. If you forget credentials, use the recovery options to reset securely. Always check the site domain and enable a strong password manager to prevent phishing. Stay calm and follow each step slowly so you don't miss security prompts or verification codes. If you encounter issues, start with a password reset and verify your recovery email or phone. Clearing cache and cookies often removes stale session errors that block login. If extensions or autofill cause problems, open a private window or switch browsers to test. For repeated failures, contact portal support and provide exact error messages. Keep your device software updated to reduce compatibility glitches during authentication and form access. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more clear guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for effortless floors, voice control, and smart mapping that frees time for tax tasks. It's a small upgrade that makes busy days easier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you like gadgets, it's worth a peek. Now let's get back to the video. Protecting your income tax portal access matters as much as filing correctly. Turn on two-factor authentication and use a password manager to generate unique, strong passwords. Verify account alerts and sign-in notifications so you spot unauthorized access early. Avoid public Wi-Fi when logging in and prefer a personal device with updated security patches. Regularly review connected devices and revoke any unfamiliar sessions to keep your tax data safe and private.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.